Have you ever thought about what it means to sleep with no food, no medicine, no safety, just fear in your heart? Right now, millions of people in Sudan are living like this every single day. Children are starving. Families are torn apart. Mothers are crying because they have nothing left to give their babies. And the world is silent. But you and I? We cannot stay silent. My brothers and sisters, Sudan is bleeding. Since April 2023, a brutal war has ripped through this land, turning cities into battlefields and homes into graves. Millions have been forced to flee. Imagine walking for days with your children, no shoes, no food, only hope that someone will help. That's the reality of more than 12 million displaced people in Sudan today. El Fasher, one of the last safe places, is under siege. No food, no medicine, no water. People are dying not only from bullets but from hunger and disease. In Darfur, famine grips the land. At Zamzam refugee camp, 500,000 souls, mostly women and children, are struggling just to survive. Every second, a child cries from hunger. Every minute, a life is lost that could have been saved with just a little help. And it doesn't stop there. A deadly cholera outbreak has spread, killing thousands. Hospitals are destroyed. More than 80% of medical facilities in conflict zones no longer function. Pregnant women cannot find safe care. Children die from simple sicknesses. Families are forced to drink dirty water because there is no clean source. This is not just a political war. This is a humanitarian disaster. It is a crisis of faith, of morality, of humanity. And it is happening right now, in front of our eyes. We might ask, why should we care about Sudan? The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, taught us that the believers are like one body. When one part suffers, the whole body feels the pain. Sudan is not just another country far away. Sudan is us. Their pain is our pain. Their suffering is our suffering. When a mother in Sudan prays at night for her child's life, should we not join her in prayer? When a father digs through rubble searching for his daughter, should we not raise our hands and ask Allah to give him patience? The Quran tells us, whoever saves one life, it is as if he has saved all of humanity. Right now, even our prayers can be a means of hope, a light in their darkness. So I ask you, before this video ends, make a sincere dua for Sudan. Pray for peace. Pray for healing. Pray for the hungry, the sick, the displaced. Pray that Allah softens the hearts of those in power and opens the doors of mercy for those in need. But don't stop there. If you are able, support the organizations on the ground providing aid. Share their stories. Spread awareness. Be the voice for those who cannot speak. Sudan's people are resilient. They have survived war, famine, and hardship before. But today, they need us more than ever. If we truly believe in humanity, if we truly believe in the power of prayer, then let's not turn away. Close your eyes tonight and whisper a prayer for Sudan. Because sometimes, prayer is the first step that awakens the world to action. And sometimes, prayer is the only hope left when everything else is gone. Don't scroll away. Take just 30 seconds after this video to pray for Sudan. Share this video so others can do the same. Together, let's raise our hands and our voices for Sudan. May Allah protect them, heal them, and bring peace to their land. Ameen.